Hey, we're here with Brian Weber. We're talking car stuff. And, school's about to start back up, Brian. And I know, some kids have cars, and it's probably pretty good to keep your child's car and make sure it's ready to go. What should you do? What should you be thinking about?
Yeah, for one, you want to try to get the car safe and reliable, right? Before you go off to school, because sometimes the kids are traveling on the way to school or back. They're traveling at night. Could be rural roads. Yep. You don't want to break down there because it's a major inconvenience at best. And the other thing is, sometimes it's hard to get good service, good, honest, reliable service when you're around to school. And if it's a rural type school setting, there's not a lot of options there, and some of those shops know it's like fishing out of a barrel. Kids don't have a lot of options.
That kind of makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, they tell them whatever, and the kids don't know any better. Then the parents can't do anything because they're who knows how far away.
And if something really does, the car breaks down or something like that, and the kid just wants to get home or whatever. I mean,
yep.
Oh, I never even thought about that. So what kind of things should you just check out just to be to get the car ready to go?
Well, so every time we service a car, we do a full 30-point safety inspection.
Okay.
It's electronic, so we look over all the stuff, everything that's important, right? Cooling system, brakes, tires, shocks, battery, all that basic stuff that's important.
Yeah.
Tires, of course.
Yeah.
Really, really. So you want to check all those things. Really, all of it, because all it takes is one of those things to quit working on you, and then the car's dead in the water.
Yeah, it's kind of funny is, for me, so anyway, I don't really look under the hood every time I'm driving.
Nobody does.
Haven't done it in a while. So,
yeah.
Hey, you should, if you got some kids that are going to be taking off, make sure the car is ready to go. And Weber Automotive is a great place to do it. WeberAutomotive.com. If you're not there, check it out. And thanks a lot, Brian.
Thanks, Randy.